Whoa! Look at that shiny police truck patrolling the neighborhood today, everyone.
把手给我。
Hello! Oh no! The brave police squad is missing their gear. Can you help us find the right shadows to fix them?
I think a giant pizza slice goes on the roof. Am I right?
Nice try, silly. We need real police equipment. Let's look for the sirens and wheels instead. Drag that siren piece right up to the top. Click! Perfect placement, team! Meow! Even our cat Fred is helping us spot the hidden parts. You're doing great! Look at them glow! They're almost ready for patrol duty. Sparkle! Sparkle!
The puppies are here to celebrate your amazing puzzle skills.
Everything is lighting up. You've matched every single piece like a pro. Our brave police fleet is finally assembled and ready to zoom off on a mission.
Very nice.
You did it! You are a master puzzle solver! Thanks for playing. See you next time, superstars! Welcome, puzzle explorers! Today we are matching our favorite heroes, so get ready for some fun. Who is hiding behind those mystery silhouettes? Can you guess, friends?
I bet it's a giant dinosaur. Am I right?
Not quite silly. It's our pals Doraemons and Sonic. Watch as we slide them into place. Click!
Whoa! Look at Sonic and his speedy friends go. This rhythm game is super fast.
Tails and Amy are dancing along perfectly. They made it back to their columns. Give them a big thumbs up for a job well done.
Ahoy there! A pirate ship adventure? Let's see if that yellow monster can help the captain steer.
Surprise! It's Superman flying in to save the day. Zoom!
Oh my God!
Batman and Superman are the ultimate heroic duo. They always know exactly what to do.
in trouble again. Doraemon, please use your magic gadget to help him out.
You are all puzzle masters. Welcome, puzzle explorers. Today we are matching mighty military machines to their secret shadows.
Vroom! Is that a giant space rocket? I bet it's a rocket, right?
Look at those fluffy huskies watching us. Can you point to the matching silhouette on the road?
2, 1, go!
I think the big missile launcher goes there, or maybe it's the bridge builder.
Military transport truck.
Let's see if your choice
Military
lights up with a
transport truck.
green yes.
This is a military transport
Click the
truck.
screen if
It
you
carries
think it's a
soldiers, food, and
match.
equipment to different places. The truck is strong and built to handle tough roads.
You got
It helps support
That's
the
a
army during
perfect
missions.
fit. Great job, team.
Amphibious
Wow.
bridging vehicle.
Look at that amphibious vehicle splash into
Amphibious
the river.
bridging
It's
vehicle.
like a boat
This
on
is an
wheels.
amphibious bridging vehicle. It is used to build floating bridges across rivers and water areas.
It's literally
The
driving
vehicle
on
can
water.
move on
That
land
is
and
so
float on
cool.
water.
I want
It
one
helps
for my
troops and
bathtub.
vehicles cross safely during military missions.
No, 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 no.
We have 2 more shadows left. Can you count them with me? 1, 2.
Launch vehicle. Launch vehicle.
I see the
This is a launch
vehicle.
vehicle.
hiding.
It is
Let's
used to
slide
carry
it into
space
place.
rockets and
3,
send them into
2,
orbit.
1.
The vehicle has powerful engines that push the rocket high into the sky. It plays an important role in space missions like launch.
The missile launcher is
Missile
ready
launcher.
for action. Look at it go in the field.
Missile launcher. This is a missile launcher. It is a system used to fire
Mission
guided missiles at
accomplished.
targets.
You all are
Some are on
total
trucks,
puzzle masters.
while others are
Smash
set up on
that
the ground.
subscribe button
They
for
are
more
used for
fun.
defense and long-range attacks.
You did amazing today. Give yourselves a huge high five. See you next time. Welcome, puzzle explorers. Are you ready to build some super cool trucks today?
Whoa, check out those colors. Vroom, vroom, look at them line up.
Abracadabra. They are transforming with magic emojis. Can you spot the skeleton?
It is time to match. I think this big wheel goes on the sky, right?
Oh, silly.
3,
Wheels belong on the road. Let's
1,
drag it to the
go!
silhouette down here. Great job! Click! That piece fits perfectly like a puzzle piece in a snap. Now, can you help me find the cabin for our hardworking green dump truck?
Look at that cat helping us. Point your finger at the screen to help guide the part.
It is all assembled. Our mighty trucks are ready to roll out. Look at that rap dance. You did a fantastic job solving every single puzzle.
Hit that subscribe button for more fun. See you next time.
Hey there, puzzle explorers. Ready to fix some big machines with us today.
Oh no! Our hardworking digger friend is broken and sad. Can we help him?
Don't worry, little
Why are you
ones.
crying?
We have our robot friend ready to jump into action. Can you point at the screen and help the robot
Put
find
me
the tracks? Click!
I think the tracks go on the roof. Am I
Put
doing
me
it right?
down.
Not quite, silly. Tracks go on the bottom to help our digger roll. Vroom!
Put me down.
Now, let's attach that big, strong arm. 3, 2, 1, snap! Perfect fit!
Look at him go! You did amazing, team! Let's celebrate with a big high five and a blast of fireworks. Boom!
Hey there, little heroes. Welcome to the color parade, where our brave police car buddies are gathering for duty. Vroom! Vroom!
Oh boy, look at those gray cars! Are they waiting for a party? Maybe they want to be blue? Or maybe green?
Not quite, silly. Let's match these colorful balloons to our police friends. Can you point to the red balloon for the red car?
I see a yellow one. Is it time to go? 3, 2, 1. Pop, beep, beep.
Watch closely. The cars are changing colors right before our eyes.
Oh, yeah.
Ting! That one is turning bright purple. You are doing amazing! Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 shiny police cars ready for action.
Boom! Fireworks for our puzzle masters. You solved it all. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more fun.
Whoa! Buckle up! Puzzle Explorers, the engine is roaring to life!
Vroom, vroom. Check out these cool monster trucks. Ready for action.
Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4 awesome trucks on the track.
Boo! A spooky ghost just popped in to say hello. Did you see him?
Oh no, our trucks turned into shadows and this little friend is sad. Let's cheer him up. Ha ha! Look, he's laughing now. Great job helping him smile again. Time to be detectives.
3,
Can you point to where the pumpkin
1,
truck's tire
go!
belongs?
This puzzle is tricky, but I think the blue piece goes right. Here, wait, is that right?
Don't worry, keep trying. Focus on the shapes. You're doing fantastic. Super sleuths. Almost there. Just one more piece to snap into place. Click. You've got this.
No, 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 no. Wait, 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 wait. Wait.
Ta-da! You did it! Look at all these fluffy kittens celebrating your victory. You're a puzzle master! Welcome to our big construction adventure. Let's explore this beautiful sunny valley together.
Wow, check out that giant mixer. Is it going to bake a cake, host A?
Haha, not quite. That mixer helps us build strong houses, silly.
Boom, pop. Look at all that colorful confetti showering our hard-working construction crew.
It's puzzle time. Can you help us find the missing parts for our mighty friends?
Think the big shovel goes on the dump truck. Wait, no, that's not right, is it?
You're getting closer. The shovel belongs to our strong digger friend. Let's try again. Vroom, vroom. Here is the concrete mixer truck, ready to swirl and pour concrete for us. Watch that digger work. He is scooping up all that dirt to fill the dump truck. So strong.
Dump truck.
Dump truck.
It's snowing out there, but our digger friend is using his log grapple to move heavy trees. Amazing!
Excavator log grapple.
Excavator log grapple.
Clang! Bang! They are working so hard at the quarry today. Can you count the trucks with me? 1, 2.
Excavator.
Excavator.
We did it! You are a puzzle superstar! Let's celebrate with fireworks! Pop, pop, hooray! Welcome, Puzzle Explorers! Are you ready for a high-speed mission today? Let's go!
Whoa! Look at those heavy-duty machines rolling through the city. Vroom, vroom!
Wait, what's that? The secret mission is starting! Keep your eyes peeled, everyone. Oh no! Our mighty truck is missing its cab. Can you help us find the right piece?
I think this tiny cab will fit. Wait, no? Maybe it's this one?
Oops, that red cross means it's a mismatch. Try again, friends. Which one fits perfectly? Click! It fits! You did it! You super smart puzzle masters! Now, let's gear up this artillery vehicle. Does this big turret belong on top?
Boom! Perfect match! Look at those happy cats dancing to celebrate your victory.
Oh my god!
You were incredible today! High fives all around, and we'll see you for the next big challenge. Hey everyone! Welcome to our awesome vehicle puzzle challenge. Let's get zooming.
Vroom, vroom! Can you spot all three of our speedy motorcycle friends on the road? Whoa! Everything turned into shadows. And look, a big yellow bulldozer is rolling by.
That's a hard-working digger, kids. He loves moving dirt to help us build big things. Time for a matching game. We need to find the right parts for our brave police motorcycle silhouettes.
I think the giant tractor wheel goes on the police bike. Wait, that's not right, is it?
Nice try. But let's look closer. Which piece actually fits our police friend perfectly? Point your finger at the screen and help us drag the correct piece. 3, 2, 1, go!
Click! That part fits like a glove. Our motorcycle is looking sharp and ready for patrol.
Great focus! Now let's find the missing handlebars for the blue motorcycle. Can you find them? Ting! You did it! Look at all those hearts and confetti, celebrating your amazing puzzle skills.
Boom! You're a total puzzle master. High five, everyone.
You were incredible today. Thanks for playing, and we'll see you in the next big adventure. Bye-bye! Welcome, Puzzle Explorers. Today, we are on a mission to fix these super cool construction vehicles.
Whoa! Did those construction trucks turn into shadows? What? Poof! Where did they go?
Don't worry, they are just hiding. Can you spot the missing parts hanging up there in the trees?
2, 1! I see a giant scoop. That must belong to our hard-working digger, right?
Exactly. Let's count to 2 and snap it into place. 1, 2, click! Yay! You matched it perfectly! Let's give our screen a big round of applause. Look at the steamroller! It needs a heavy roller to flatten the ground. Can you point to it?
Beep, beep. The crane is looking much stronger now that we added its long arm.
You are doing amazing! Only a few more pieces left to make these vehicles ready for duty.
Vroom, vroom. Our forklift is fully assembled and ready to lift heavy boxes.
High five to everyone playing along! We are building a whole construction team today. Woohoo! Everything is complete. Confetti everywhere. You kids are the best puzzle masters ever. See you next time. Welcome, Puzzle Explorers. Today we're in a sleepy town. But wait, is that a rumble I hear?
Whoa! Boom! Those mighty transport trucks just bumped into each other.
Oh no, they've lost their shape! Can you help me find their silhouettes in the dark? Let's drag these heavy pieces. Where does the big engine go? Point your finger at the screen.
Oops, that piece doesn't fit there. Maybe try the other side, buddy.
Don't worry, keep trying. Which shape matches this wheel? Let's look closely together. Oh no! Click! That one locked right in. You're doing an amazing job building these mighty transport vans.
Vroom, vroom, almost done. Can we count the last 2 pieces? 1, 2, snap.
Ta-da! They look brand new and ready for duty. You are a puzzle master. High five, everyone! Hey everyone, get ready. Our hard-working digger friend is rolling in to start the fun.
Vroom, vroom. Look at that bright yellow paint shine. It's ready to scoop up some adventure.
Oh no! Where did the pieces go? Everything turned into a shadowy silhouette.
Maybe the digger is playing hide and seek? I bet he's hiding under the couch.
Not quite, silly. We need to find the missing parts to build our strong friend. Point to the bucket. Click! That piece fits perfectly. Now let's find the heavy tracks to help him move. I see a big arm. Can you count the gears with me? 1, 2, 3. Snap it in place.
Almost there. Just one more piece for the cabin. 3, 2, 1. Pop it in.
No! God!
Ta-da! He is fully assembled and looking strong. Happy New Year, little digger!
You guys are puzzle masters. Let's give a huge round of applause for a job well done.
Hey there, puzzle explorers. Are you ready to help our construction team find their homes? Let's go.
I see 4 empty spots. Maybe I should try putting the crane in the cement mixer spot. Vroom!
Oh, silly. Let's find the right match together, everyone. First, our spinning cement mixer rolls right into place. Click! That fits perfectly. Next comes the tall crane, the road roller, and our hardworking digger friend. They're all home.
Wow, look at them glow. It's like a construction party, ting-a-ling.
You did it, puzzle masters. High five the screen, everybody. Look at that strong excavator. He digs deep to help build big, beautiful buildings. And there is the smooth road roller, making the ground nice and flat for us to drive on. Up, and away goes our crane. It's reaching for the clouds today. Don't forget our spinning cement mixer. He's always ready to mix.
Boom! Fireworks for our amazing team. You solved the puzzle perfectly, construction heroes.
Vroom, vroom. Look at our brave police car friend cruising down the road today. Oh no, a big crash. Our poor little pink friend is so sad. We need to help fix the car. Time for a puzzle challenge. Can you help us find where these pieces belong?
Maybe this square piece goes right here? Whoops, that doesn't fit at all.
Keep trying. Look closely at the shapes. Does that edge match the silhouette? Focus. Let's rotate it just a little bit more.
I bet it goes in this spot. No? Okay, let's try the other one.
Click, yes! We got the main body in. That's a huge step forward.
Who is that visiting our workshop? What a surprising guest.
Wait.
Woof! Even the puppy wants to help us finish our police buddy today. Don't feel sad, little emoji. We are getting so close to the finish line. Let's count the wheels together. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
No! God! No! God, please, no! No!
Almost there. Just a couple more clicks and we're done.
Meow! Even the kitty thinks we are doing a great job. Look at it glow. Our brave police car is back on duty and ready to roll. You did it, super puzzlers! Give yourselves a huge high five for being so smart today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun adventures. Hi everyone! Welcome to our big building adventure. Look at that shiny purple excavator rolling onto the scene. Vroom, vroom!
Wow, look at all those shadows. Is that a giant robot dinosaur? I think it's a T-Rex.
Haha, not quite. Those are 3 hard-working diggers waiting for their parts. Let's help them get ready for work. Can you spot the missing arm for our yellow digger? Point your finger at the screen if you see it. Click!
I found a piece. It looks like a giant yellow lemon. Wait, that's definitely a shovel bucket, right?
Exactly. That big bucket helps our digger friend move piles of dirt. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3. Everything is coming together perfectly. Look how fast those tracks are spinning. Zoom, zoom. finished. Grab that last engine cover and pop it into place. Snap!
I'm putting on the wheels now. Watch me go. Watch me go. Are they spinning fast enough?
You are doing such a fantastic job, team. Just a few more bolts to tighten. Almost there. Ta-da! Look at them go! All 3 excavators are ready for the construction site. Boom! Fireworks for everyone.
That was amazing. You guys are master builders. See you next time for more puzzle fun. Superstars.